First of all, let's create a new file. Give width 100 pixels, height 100 pixels, resolution 72 pixels, background contents, select transparent. Click on create and zoom in the project and then select the rectangular selection tool and select your project. Now right click here and click on transform selection. Click on OK. Now we have to enable ruler, so press Ctrl R to enable ruler. Now drag a horizontal line to the center, also a vertical line to the center. And now press Ctrl D to deselect. And here select the ellipse tool and click anywhere of, and width give 15 pixel width and 15 pixel height. And then go to properties and click on this color box, and you can change your circle color. In my case, I'm selecting this dark gray color, and here make sure to disable stroke. So make sure to disable stroke and then select the selection tool and put the circle at the center. Now press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer and then go to filter, other and offset. Click on convert to smart object and here horizontal give +50 and vertical +50 pixels and select here warp around and just click on OK. And here we can see circles are wrapped around. And then go to edit and click on define pattern and giving the pattern name. Now just close this project without saving. And now let's create a new project. You can give any width or height you want. Selecting background white color. And now make sure to unlock the background. Click on this icon and click on pattern overlay. And click on this pattern drop down and select the pattern that you just created. And here you can change the pattern dotted size and then just click on OK. Here we can see I've successfully inserted the pattern in my project. And here's how to insert pattern in a shape. So let's select ellipse tool and let's create a shape here. And now click on this fill option and select pattern and select the pattern that we just created, and that's it.